Good afternoon, it's the guys here for Dashcam Man. We're just demonstrating an Autowatch Ghost fitted in a 2018 Range Rover Sport. It's a popular vehicle, it's got a high crime rate. The same system is applicable to the SVR model as well. We'll show you how this works in this vehicle. The system is currently armed and it's active. You try and start the car with your foot on the brake. You see it's completely dead, so it's going nowhere. Try that again. Completely immobilised. To start this vehicle, you'll need to pop in a pin that only the customer will know, or the owner of the vehicle will know. The pin on this vehicle just for programming purposes, and it will be getting changed after we have handed the car back off to the customer, is just the minus button on the steering wheel. So if we hit that 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll get a double flash of indicators. Okay, at this point here, if I go back to the start button on the left and I start the car will start. If you're after having a similar installation installed in your vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a shout. Thank you.